In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add apps to dock on iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can have up to 4 sets of apps here, including folders or individual applications. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to manage this dock and add different folders or individual apps. So, to do this, you will need to tap and hold on specific applications. So there's 2 ways to do this. You can tap and hold on a specific app like this, and it will open up a drop-down menu. And inside of this drop-down menu, you will see the option to edit the home screen apps, or you can tap and hold anywhere that is empty on your home screen. So choose whatever you prefer, either on an empty space on the home screen, which will trigger the option to edit the home screen for all apps, or tap on a specific one first and then hold, and then choose edit home screen. Now, all the apps will start jiggling slowly, and you will see this icon at the top left of folders, apps, and widgets. This icon will remove the application. You can remove applications from the dock, so let's say for example you don't want the camera app anymore. You simply tap on this and it will be removed, freeing up one of the 4 spaces. Or you can drag and drop, so if you tap and hold on a specific app, you can drag it with your fingers. So you can drag it to another location, it will fall in order. So for example, if you were to drag this app over here, it would go and automatically be assigned in this position. And of course, once you have a free space in the dock, you can tap and hold on any of the applications. So in this example here, the Safari app. So you tap and hold and then slowly drag it into position. Once it is positioned here, it will make space in between the applications, or you can place it at the edges, whatever you prefer. And once you let go, the app will rest on the dock like this in position. You can remove as many apps as you want by tapping this icon here, and you can have up to 4. And like I said before, you can do the exact same thing with full folders. So if you tap and hold on a folder, you just slowly drag it into position. If you already have the maximum amount of apps here, it won't be allowed in. So you must remove at least 1 app before putting another one in if your dock is full. I hope I was able to help you on how to add apps to dock on iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.